This is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today I want to talk to you about the RetraxOne MX XR and the Bedrug. Now, the MX basically refers to the finish. That's right, it's got a new texture, beautiful matte black finish, and the XR is referring to this new track they're putting on here. What they have done is you can now add racks to your cover. So just like on this truck over here, which has a Yakima rack, you can put a low rack or even a high rack. So if you have, let's say you want to put a ladder rack on this, Yakima makes a tall rack for it. You can put a medium rack, or you want to put a tent on here. Or you, like in my case, I have the low rack, which I usually will put a nice safari basket on. That's what's nice about this. This T-slot here with the XR model gives you all kinds of options now. Now, I'm going to kind of show you how it operates. By the way, you can see how beautiful this Bedrug is. Now, this is a really wonderful cover, and it's got some features that no one else has. For example, you can lock this cover anywhere along the track. Now, the benefit is real simple. Let's say you're putting something in the back of the bed, and you need it not to move around. So you want to take the cover, move it right up to wherever it is, and lock it in place. And now it's wedged between the tailgate here, and it's going to hold it in place very nicely. So that makes this thing very unique. Now, this one is also got a regular handle, as you can see. You can lock it in there. Also, if you notice the canister, you do have space underneath your canister. So if you have that plywood you need to put in the back, or you got something that's very large and you need that full space, you have the back underneath the canister here. Now, the way this one is set up, this one's actually got some really good brackets here. What it does, it levels these off. It's actually the only company that has a built-in leveler. So these are nice and straight. So when you do put the racks on here, it's going to stay nice and straight. Again, you just push the little button right here, take the little handle, and as you can see, it closes perfectly. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open this up because I want you to take a really good look at the Bedrug. This is a terrific product. There's so many benefits of a Bedrug. First of all, just take a good look here and see how nice it is. It is a good looking product. It holds up very well. I have this in my personal vehicle. It's been in my vehicle going on 7 years now, and it actually looks just like this. Another nice thing about this, I didn't have to, like a spray where you have to sand the paint off. You don't have to do that with this. Another cool thing about this, it's actually got padding. So if you were to drop something, this actually protects the bottom of the bed. And of course, for me personally, I do actually get in the back of beds. Go football games, I want to do a little tailgating. This is great on the knees. I can sit on here. You can actually even camp in these things since they're padded. Very, very comfortable. And then the great thing about this Bedrug, it is not really a rug at all. It's actually synthetic. That's right. This is actually made of plastic. Now the benefit to you is real simple. You're not going to get mildew. It can get wet. It holds up a lot better, and it doesn't show wear and tear like a regular carpet, so it'll last you longer. Another great benefit of this Bedrug, you can take this and put it in another vehicle because it's going to last you a lot longer than your traditional bed liners. So if you buy this, let's say you bought another truck, same bed, take it, put in a new one, save yourself some money. Again, this is the RetraxOne MX XR. Look how nice that is. Of course, we got the nice little tailgate, close it up, locks up very nice. Thank you very much. This is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida.